Hello, the idea here is that we want to use the modulo operator to determine if a number is even number or an odd number. Believe me, this has a lot of application in programming. A number, is even number if it is divisible by 2 without a remainder. Okay, examples of even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and so on. In programming, the modulo operator is what we use to know if a number is an even or an odd number. How? Very simple. When a number num is mod by 2 and the return value is 0, we know that this number is even number for sure. Otherwise, the number is an odd number for sure. This is the general rule. Given num is a number, any number. If num mod by 2 returns 0, num is an even number. Otherwise, num is an odd number. Let's look at examples. Example 1. 5 mod by 2 and the output is 1. Then we know that 5 is odd number. This hash, we use it in programming, by the way, to write a comment, and the Python interpreter doesn't interpret it, doesn't attach any meaning to it. It is made for human readers to read it. That's it. So let's go to example 2. 6 mod by 2, the output is 0, and therefore 6 is even. Okay, and example 3. 3 mod by 2, the output is 1, and therefore this 3 is odd number. So this is the exercise we have. A little bit tough but simple if you pay attention. Fill in the blank spaces. 1. 7 mod by 2, what is the output? And based on the output, therefore 7 is what? You write it, please. 2. 8 mod by 2, what is the output? You put it, and therefore 8 is it odd number or even number? So, and here 11 mod by 2, what is the output? And therefore 11 is what? You write it, please. Thank you so much.